After finishing the previous lesson, you should have your node set up with the Rocket Pool Smart Node stack running. Now we need to talk about Testnet. Let's get started. Hello all, welcome back to Rocket School. JT here. As a staker, you will be dealing with a lot of money. We'll be interacting with the Ethereum blockchain where mistakes are usually permanent. Whenever you're doing something potentially risky like this, where mistakes have serious consequences, one of the best ways to reduce risk is to practice it first. That's where Testnet comes in. When you think about the Ethereum blockchain, you're thinking of what we call mainnet, the network where everyone's real ether and assets live. But there are also several other Ethereum networks that are created for testing purposes, and we call those testnets. They have names like Gurley, Sepolia, or Haleshki. And all the ether and other assets that are on those are fake and have no real value. On the Haleshki testnet, you can try out Rocket Pool staking without putting any real money at risk. Everything we have gone over in previous lessons works exactly the same for either testnet or mainnet. But after this lesson, you need to pick one or the other. We at Rocket School recommend trying staking on testnet before committing to the real thing. It means you will need to go through most of the process of setting up your node in mini pool 2 times. But your assets are at stake here, and we want you to be successful. And it's always much faster the second time. For the remainder of this course, these lessons will show using testnet rather than mainnet, but they work very similarly. We will call out anything that needs to be done differently depending on whether you're on testnet or mainnet. So make sure you know which one you are setting your node up with. If you are feeling confident, you can skip testnet and go right to mainnet. Or maybe this is your second time watching these lessons and you've got your practice in on testnet already and are ready for the real deal. The choice is yours, but again, we recommend starting with testnet and then coming back and doing everything for mainnet once you have safely tried everything out with fake testnet assets. Just like the same thing rocket engineers do with real rockets. Test it first. On behalf of Rocket School, my name is JT.